Hey, it's WaneedaWrestling, y'all. How's it going, guys? Hope you all are having an amazing day. Welcome back. So, guess what? We're opening up another one of the new Metal Universe packs, you guys. And I am so excited because I have to say, the cards that have been in this series, they just like pop out to me. Like, they're so pretty, they're so well done. And so I am hoping to find an autograph card in this pack, because we haven't had a whole lot of luck with the previous series. So I'm hoping with this pack, or excuse me, this new series, we will have better luck. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this one and see what we will pull today. Let's see. All right. Let's see. All right. I think what I'm going to go ahead and do, I've actually enjoyed this setup the way, I have it right here. I think I may try to go back to doing the unboxing the other way, or I may do a couple, but I have to say I'm enjoying this. But the thing is too, I've done a lot of work in my wrestling room, and I want to be able to share that with you guys, so that way you guys can see how it's come along. I'm very, very proud. It's my favorite room in my house. So, like I said, maybe the next video that I'll do it from in there. So, all right, you guys, let's get started. Pack number 1. Come on, Otto. Come on. All right, let's see. What are we starting off with? Oh, that's who we're starting off with. All right. Okay. Oh, I'm telling you, man. Love the blue, you guys. Oh, my goodness. Let's see. Oh, snap. Look who else we got, you guys. Look who else we got. Yep. All right. Oh, look at that. That's my favorite number, too. All right. Definitely gonna have to get a sleeve for her, Okay. All right, that's it for pack number 1. Okay. Let's go. Let's get in this. Okay. That's who we're starting off with here. Haven't seen him in a while. Right. Excalibur. Hey, check out who we got here. Yes. I don't know how to feel about these cards. It's different. That's for sure. Oh, look at that. Mr. Excalibur in blue. Right. The boss stud. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Let's keep it going. I want to see Max. Le Champion. Okay. All right. Got Mr. Swerve again. Got him. All right. No comment. All right. 2 more packs, guys. That's it. Nothing crazy, really. Nobody, or not a particular card that's like, OMG. Let's see. Okay. Mr. Cole, baby. Angelo. Technician's card. His stat. Oh, he's got his own card. Yay. Miss Aubrey. Oh, yay. He's so handsome, you guys. I'm so happy. Yay. But nothing wild out of this pack, you guys. What the heck? What the heck? This is it. This is our last pack. This is our last pack. Come on. I mean, had it not been for Max Caster, I don't know about this pack, you guys. I don't know. Oh. Well. Again, I don't know how to feel about those cards, but beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this one is different and nice. But I think this is pretty much it as far as like, yeah, I don't know. That's it, you guys. That's it. I mean, I think the only two that I'll sleeve up are these 2 gals right here. And I mean, I'm happy about Max, but nothing too crazy or exciting really out of this pack, you guys. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, what do you think about what we pulled? Drop me a comment and let me know. Have you guys had any luck with any of these, new series and stuff? Have you guys pulled anything cool? Drop me a comment and let me know. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. You guys are the best. Amazing. I appreciate all of the support. Don't forget to hit that like button for me, okay? Share, subscribe, let people know. This is Juanita Wrestling's world, y'all. This is where all the wrestling-related shenanigans happen. It goes down. All right, you guys. You guys take care. And remember, guys, wrestling is life. Bye.